I wasn't looking for you. It was just a normal Friday night. The city wore its tired old colors, neon dancing with the pale moonlight. I was carrying yesterday's burdens, trying to leave my worries behind. Then your eyes found mine so quietly, like a prayer I never thought I'd find. Some roads don't need a map to guide them. Some hearts don't need a reason why. When destiny whispers your name so softly, even the strongest walls say goodbye. I wasn't looking for you. It was just a normal Friday night, but love came walking through the doorway, turning shadows into light. Now every heartbeat tells a story of a soul that finally feels brand new. I never chased forever, forever simply led me to you. I've seen promises fade like smoke, watched dreams disappear with the rain, built my heart from broken pieces, swore I'd never trust again. But your laughter broke the silence, like morning after endless storms. You gave hope a brand new language and made a restless spirit warm. If tomorrow brings hard times, we'll stand like mountains in the wind. Love ain't measured by perfection, it's holding on when the world won't bend. Every scar became a lesson, every tear became the truth. All the roads I thought were wasted were leading me to you. I wasn't looking for you. It was just a normal Friday night. No signs, no plans, no expectations, just a single spark of light. Now the stars don't seem so distant. Now the sky wears a different blue. Love found me when I least expected, and my heart came home with you. I wasn't looking for you. It was just a normal Friday night. Sometimes the greatest blessings come when you stop searching for the light.